contribute to sustainable development, holistic approach for environmental and human health. So it is an interdisciplinary approach. Naturopathy is an Indian system of medicine that believes in the inherent potential of the body to heal itself, provided the favorable conditions are given. So it is based on a philosophical construct of Pancha Mahabhutas. The principles are that the healing power of nature, for example, sunlight is a good source of pre-vitamin D3. So, and moderate exposure of sunlight is shown to have beneficial effects because of the increase of vitamin D. And to treat the root cause of diseases and not just suppress the symptoms. Doctor as a teacher, so the word dossier is to teach, meaning the doctor teaches healthy habits. And prevention is better than cure. And food is the best medicine because gut health is the best health. So linking this to organic farming, that is very important for sustainable development. Various nutritional and health advantages are seen. Coming to nutritional advantages, organic crops are shown to have high antioxidant level like polyphenols, and also omega-3 fatty acids are high in organic dairy products. Coming to health aspects, organic intake reduces the incidence of infertility, preeclampsia, and other diseases. So, better to promote organic food, and also it has positive effect on gut microbiome, which has beneficial effect on the good bacteria, have beneficial effect on cognitive health, physical health, and emotional health. Beyond organic farming, the naturopathic institutions are an epitome for biodiversity conservation because they conserve medicinal plants and are into organic farming. Various case studies I have presented, like Jindal Institute of Naturopathy in Bengaluru has 100 acres of organic farming which they use for their patients. And also SDM Naturopathy Institute in Ujre, Ayurveda Hospital of JSS in Mysore, they have around 300 species of medicinal plants. So this is one of the example of biodiversity conservation. And yoga, the mind-body medicine, the philosophical construct sourced from the Ashtanga Yoga gives foundational principles for biodiversity conservation, sustainable development. Like the Ashtanga Yoga yamas and niyamas, ahimsa and shaucha, that is the niyamas, aparigraha. Ahimsa not just for against human conflict, but human-animal conflict, against poaching, habitat destruction, and even erratic deforestation. And the aparigraha, non-possessiveness, that is against illegal encroachment. Shaucha, not just human cleanliness, but environmental cleanliness, that is solid waste management, to beat plastic pollution. And also pranayama needs toxic-free air and an atmosphere. So this is the interdisciplinary or interdependency between human health and environmental health. And how naturopathy and yoga contributes to sustainable development. SDG goals 3 especially, to promote health for all, the non-communicable diseases under SDG 3.4. Yoga and naturopathy has various researchers to prove that the modalities have beneficial effect to hypertension, diabetes, other autoimmune diseases. For example, naturopathic modalities like clinical nutrition, diet therapy, fasting therapy, acupuncture, herbal medicines, physiotherapy, massage therapy, hydrotherapy, these are undergoing various rigorous research to show their benefits to human health. And coming to SDG 11, sustainable cities and communities, like green lifestyle, promoting home gardens, public parks, and Ayushman Bharat Jan Arogya Yojana has promoted health and wellness centers which are promoting preventive and curative therapies like yoga. And coming to climate action, so SDG 30, promoting organic foods, regional, seasonal foods, and green lifestyles, nature-based solutions, reduces carbon footprint. Various advances in naturopathy and yoga in the form of researchers in CCRY, Central Council for Research in Yoga and Naturopathy, and integrative medicine departments in AIIMS, New Delhi and NIMHANS, and National Medicinal Plant Board under Ministry of Ayush is in collaboration with MOEFCC is conserving a lot of medicinal plants to conserve for better biodiversity conservation. So in conclusion, I want to say that the need is for action, That is, prevention is better than cure. It is a medical prescription, and long-term solution is nature-based solution. So sustainability comes through successful implementation of nature-based lifestyle and therapeutic approaches. Thank you so much.